Welcome back to Prop News Time. Here are the headlines for the day. Smart city homes in Habali await handover as basic services remain pending. Home Minister urges developers to add green spaces and upskill workers. Haryana extends EDC recovery settlement scheme with revised financial terms. Madhya Pradesh steps up road expansion to strengthen connectivity and economic activity. IMF clears USD 206 million emergency funding for Sri Lanka after cyclone damage. Shri Cement plans an INR 2000 crore plant in Maharashtra to boost capacity. Delhi issues SOP to control road dust with fines up to INR 5 lakh. ADB pledges USD 4.3 billion sovereign lending to India for 2025 development projects. Indian Railways flag 2,670 waterlogging prone subways, corrective works underway across zones. Vietnam starts rail construction linking China under large infrastructure program. NCRTC to launch 110 MW solar plant in Uttar Pradesh to power Namo Bharat corridor. Bank of India plans 10-year infrastructure bond issue to raise INR 100 billion. Adani Group plans aggressive push to operate more airports under USD 11 billion expansion. US House approves bill to fast-track permits for large energy projects. Manglam Group launches INR 300 crore Western Resort in Jaipur foothills. Rupee seen steady as RBI intervention supports currency this week. Institutional investments in Indian real estate hit record levels in 2025. JLL. Delhi High Court allows KEC International to bid for projects, including power grid tenders. SBI to revisit construction finance policy for residential housing projects. India plans dual-use international airport on Great Nicobar to boost security and tourism. GPT Group acquires 4345 Australia Street for AUD 47 million. Indian REITs plan bond issues to raise INR 21 billion this month. Core infrastructure growth slows to 1.8% in November on weaker energy output. Sri Lankan equities extend losses as real estate and industrial stocks weigh on market. LIC Housing Finance cuts home loan rates to 7.15%, aims to revive buyer sentiment. CRDA clears over INR 1 to 300 crore for layout and core infrastructure works in Amaravati. Modern holding partners with Panipinto Properties to develop Harborside 4. Fortis Healthcare to buy Bengaluru's People Tree Hospital for INR 4.3 billion. NSEL Investors Forum seeks Finance Ministry support for faster OTS execution. Roswald Realty's Oshiwara project Roswald Zaya sells out within 12 hours of launch. Fire filed against Ocean 7 Buildtech directors over stalled Gurugram housing project. Starlink expands in India with first office lease in New Delhi. Jaipur launches 5 new transit-oriented development corridors along metro routes. Rhythm Property Trust moves ahead with one for 6 reverse stock split. HCC wins INR 901 crore contract for tunnel on Tupul Imphal rail line. That's a wrap for today. Tune in tomorrow for the latest headlines.